So we have seen the challenges in internal audit. Now we'll be seeing how data analytics can help in mitigating some of these challenges. So we're starting with the first one, ability to analyze large volumes of data. As Alok and Kush both have mentioned, that the size of data in cybersecurity is or in cyberspace is continuously increasing. We have data from multiple sources, be it the antivirus, logs, service desk, and the volume is also increasing day by day. So to analyze such volumes of data using traditional techniques, it becomes very difficult. So here's where analytics comes into play. So either from collecting the data, aggregating it, processing it, and then to gain new meaningful insights, that can be done by analytics. Next is real-time monitoring. So any cybersecurity incident which we get, that needs to be monitored and needs to be detected really quickly. Then only we can take quick action on it.